So I made a video about the effect of snoring on the heart, and somebody asked this question: what are the things you are going to do in order to prevent snoring? What are the solutions to snoring? Please, if you are seeing the very video, kindly help me to share it to different platforms so that people will be able to learn from what I'm going to talk about in this very video. Also, remember to like this video, because if you like this video, people will be able to see it in different platforms as well. Now, talking about snoring, what you have to understand is that find out what is causing you to snore, because when you find out what is causing you to snore, you not be able to find out the solution to that. For instance, if you are obese, obesity itself is one of the factors that can cause you to snore. So weight reduction is one of the first things you are going to do if you're obese and you used to snore all the time. So reduce your weight. That will help your airway to be opened up. In that way, you stop snoring. Number two is change of position. So for instance, for some people, if they lie down flat and they are facing upward, for them, they will start snoring because their tongues used to fall on their airway and cause the occlusion of their airway. With that, they will start snoring. So change of position will help this kind of individuals. For instance, instead of lying and facing upward, you can lie on your side and use your pillow to elevate yourself, elevate your head. With this position, you'll be able to breathe fine and snoring can be prevented in that position. Another thing you can also do is to use what we call CPAP, which is continuous positive airway pressure machine. That you can also use at home. It's a machine that can be prescribed for you at the hospital. So you can go to your doctor and your doctor will prescribe this machine for you. You can use it at home whenever you are sleeping. While you are trying to reduce your weight, you can be using that machine. With that, you can prevent snoring. For instance, if you are obese, or if you have what is called laxity of the airway. Use of CPAP machine can also help you to prevent snoring, because that CPAP machine will help to open up your airway whenever you are sleeping and prevent you from snoring. Then another thing you can also do is to find out if the snoring is as a result of what is called adenotonsillitis, especially in children. There are some kids, whenever they are sleeping, they will be snoring. Some of those children used to have what is called inflammation of the adenoids or their tonsils. So you have to take this child to the hospital so that a doctor will examine and find out if there is inflammation of the adenoid or enlargement of the adenoid and the tonsils in that child, so that a medical treatment can be started. So if medical treatment does not cure that child or fails in that occasion, then surgery can be conducted, and with that, the airway of that child can also be opened up and that child can start breathing fine. Please, if you find this video interesting, kindly help me to share it to other people as well. Thank you so much.